Yo, what's up everyone, it's Philip here. And today we're diving deep into the future with D-Post. Not the future of foldable phones or 8K displays, though those are cool, but the future of something much bigger, artificial intelligence, AI. It's a term we hear everywhere, but what does it actually mean for us? We're talking about machines learning, adapting, and potentially thinking for themselves. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's becoming our reality, and it's happening fast. Over the next few chapters, we're going to explore 10 bold predictions for how AI will reshape our world. From healthcare to transportation, from the jobs we do to how we interact with each other and our environment, AI is poised to change everything. So buckle up because things are about to get really interesting. Let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about something that affects us all: healthcare. Imagine a world where diagnoses are faster, more accurate, and personalized to your unique genetic makeup. That's the promise of AI in medicine. We're already seeing AI algorithms analyzing medical images like X-rays and MRIs, detecting anomalies with a level of precision that can even surpass human doctors. This means quicker diagnoses, more effective treatment plans, and ultimately more lives saved. But it's not just about diagnostics. AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons with complex procedures, improving accuracy and minimizing invasiveness. And let's not forget about drug discovery, where AI is accelerating the development of new treatments and therapies for diseases that were once considered incurable. The future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by AI. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning and your smartwatch, equipped with advanced AI, has already analyzed your sleep patterns, heart rate variability, and even your blood sugar levels through non-invasive sensors. It then provides personalized recommendations for your diet, exercise, and even reminds you to take your medication. This is the power of AI-driven personalized medicine. Wearable technology, combined with sophisticated algorithms, will constantly monitor our health, providing real-time feedback and early warnings for potential health issues. This level of personalized health monitoring will empower individuals to take control of their well-being like never before. No more guessing games or waiting for symptoms to worsen. AI will provide the insights needed to make proactive decisions about our health. From virtual assistants to robot surgeons, AI is transforming healthcare from diagnosis to treatment, making it more accessible, affordable, and effective for everyone. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about something I know you're all interested in: cars. But not just any cars, we're talking about cars that drive themselves. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars, robo-taxis, whatever you call them, they're no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're here. We're already seeing companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise testing their self-driving systems on public roads, and the progress is truly impressive. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate complex environments, obey traffic laws, and hopefully get you from point A to point B without a scratch. Now I know what you're thinking. I like driving. I don't want a robot taking the wheel, and I get it, but hear me out. Self-driving cars have the potential to be much safer than human drivers. They don't get tired, distracted, or make emotional decisions. Think about it. With autonomous vehicles, we could see a drastic reduction in accidents caused by human error. That's thousands of lives saved each year. Plus, imagine the convenience. No more stressful commutes, searching for parking, or dealing with traffic jams. Your car could drop you off at work, and then go find a parking spot on its own. But the impact goes beyond personal transportation. Imagine fleets of autonomous trucks optimizing logistics and delivery routes, reducing shipping costs and delivery times. Or self-driving taxis providing affordable and accessible transportation options for everyone, even those who are unable to drive themselves. This is the future of mobility, a future where transportation is safer, more efficient, and accessible to all. And it's all thanks to the power of AI. Alright, so we've talked about AI transforming healthcare and transportation, but get this, the classroom is next. I'm talking about a complete overhaul of how we learn, thanks to AI. Imagine this: educational software that adapts to your pace. You're breezing through advanced calculus? The AI ramps up the difficulty. Struggling with basic algebra? It dials it back, explains things differently, maybe even throws in some real-world examples you can relate to. This isn't just some futuristic fantasy, guys. We're already seeing early versions of this. Some learning platforms are using AI to analyze student performance, identify weak spots, and tailor the curriculum in real time. Think about the possibilities, though. No more one-size-fits-all lectures. AI tutors available 24/7. Personalized feedback that helps you actually understand the material, not just memorize it for a test. This is education on steroids. Now, before you think robots are replacing teachers altogether, that's not it. AI in education isn't about replacing educators, it's about empowering them. Think of AI as the ultimate teacher's assistant. It can handle the tedious tasks, grading assignments, creating lesson plans, managing administrative stuff, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring, mentoring, and connecting with their students on a human level. Imagine a world where teachers have more time for one-on-one sessions, for leading engaging discussions, for fostering creativity and critical thinking. That's the real magic of AI in education. And let's be real, the current education system isn't perfect. It's often criticized for being too standardized, too focused on rote learning. AI has the potential to change that, to make education more engaging, more relevant, and ultimately, more effective for everyone. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, AI, and its impact on jobs. Every time this topic comes up, it's usually met with a mix of excitement and, let's be honest, a little bit of fear. We've all heard the headlines, "Robots are coming for our jobs." And yeah, it's true that AI and automation are poised to transform the job market as we know it. Some roles, particularly those involving repetitive tasks, are likely to be automated, but hold on, it's not all doom and gloom. Remember the Industrial Revolution? Yeah, that displaced a lot of jobs too, but it also created entirely new industries and opportunities. That's the thing with technological advancements, they often lead to shifts in the job market rather than outright job elimination. The key is adaptation. So, what does this adaptation look like in the age of AI? Well, for starters, we're going to see a surge in demand for roles that require uniquely human skills. Think creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, emotional intelligence, leadership. These are all areas where humans will continue to have a significant edge over AI. We're also going to see entirely new job categories emerge, roles we can't even imagine yet. Who knows? Maybe in the future you'll have folks whose job it is to train AI systems, to design ethical frameworks for AI, or even to be AI whisperers, bridging the gap between humans and machines. The bottom line is, AI will undoubtedly change the way we work, but instead of fearing this change, we need to embrace it, adapt our skills, and focus on developing the uniquely human qualities that will be even more valuable in the future job market. Alright, let's talk entertainment, because who doesn't love a good movie, a catchy song, or an immersive video game? AI is about to take all of that to the next level. Imagine this. AI algorithms analyzing decades of film footage to help directors create stunning visual effects or even generate entire scenes. We're talking about hyper-realistic CGI characters, breathtaking landscapes, and action sequences that'll blow your mind. And it's not just visuals. AI-powered music generators can compose original scores tailored to the exact mood and tone of a scene. Imagine a soundtrack that evolves dynamically, responding to the twists and turns of the plot in real time. That's next-level immersion right there. This isn't just some sci-fi fantasy either. We're already seeing AI being used in music production, video, editing, and even script writing. The possibilities are literally endless. But here's the really cool part. AI will not only change how entertainment is made, but also how we consume it. Get ready for personalized entertainment experiences tailored to your specific tastes. Think about it. AI algorithms can analyze your viewing history, your listening preferences, even your mood, to recommend movies, shows, and music you'll actually enjoy. No more endlessly scrolling through Netflix, wondering what to watch, and imagine video games that adapt to your skill level, storylines that change based on your choices, and virtual worlds that feel incredibly real. That's the kind of personalized, interactive entertainment experience that AI can unlock. AI has the potential to usher in a new golden age of entertainment where content is more engaging, immersive, and personalized than ever before. So buckle up, because things are about to get really interesting. Alright, so let's talk money. Specifically, how AI is poised to completely change the way we manage, invest, and even think about our finances. We've already seen the first wave of this with robo-advisors. These platforms use algorithms to build and manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. No more stuffy meetings with financial advisors, you're basically getting personalized financial advice at the tap of a screen. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine AI analyzing market trends with a level of speed and accuracy no human could ever match. We're talking about predicting market shifts, identifying investment opportunities, and even mitigating risks, all in real time. This level of financial intelligence could make investing more accessible, efficient, and potentially even more profitable for everyone. It's like having a Wall Street guru in your pocket, minus the expensive suits and the questionable ethics. Now let's talk about the dark side of finance fraud. It's a massive problem, but AI might just be the ultimate weapon against it. We're talking about AI systems that can analyze millions of transactions per second, detecting even the slightest anomalies that might indicate fraudulent activity. Think about it. AI can recognize patterns and learn from past data way better than humans. This means it can constantly adapt and improve its ability to identify and prevent fraud, making our financial systems more secure than ever before. And it's not just about catching the bad guys after the fact. AI can also be used to strengthen security measures, from verifying identities to detecting fake accounts before any damage is done. So, whether it's making investing smarter or keeping our money safe, AI is set to revolutionize the financial landscape. And honestly, I'm here for it. Who wouldn't want a little more financial peace of mind? Alright, let's get real for a second. AI's incredible potential comes with some serious baggage. And I'm talking about privacy. AI thrives on data. The more data it has, the better it learns, and the more accurate its predictions become. But this data-hungry nature creates a major dilemma. To deliver personalized experiences, whether it's in healthcare, finance, or entertainment, AI needs access to our personal information. And that's where things can get a little uncomfortable. Think about all the data we generate every day, our location, browsing history, online purchases, social media activity. In the wrong hands, this information could be used for all sorts of shady stuff, from targeted advertising to even identity theft. So, as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we need to have a serious conversation about data privacy. How much are we willing to share? Who gets access to our data? And how can we ensure it's being used responsibly? Now, I'm not saying we should ditch AI altogether because of privacy concerns. That's just not realistic, but we need to find the right balance between innovation and protecting our fundamental rights. Thankfully, there are already some promising solutions being developed. Privacy-preserving AI, for example, focuses on developing algorithms that can learn from our data without actually accessing the raw information itself. Another approach is differential privacy, which adds a layer of noise to the data, making it difficult to identify individuals while still preserving the overall patterns. And of course, regulations and policies are crucial. We need clear guidelines and ethical frameworks that govern how AI can collect, store, and use our personal data. It's about finding a way to harness the power of AI while still maintaining our right to privacy. We've all seen the sci-fi movies. Homes that respond to your voice, anticipate your needs, and basically run themselves. Well, thanks to AI, that future is closer than you might think. I'm talking, of course, about the rise of the smart home. We're already seeing AI-powered devices like smart speakers, smart thermostats, and smart lighting systems becoming more common. These devices learn our preferences and automate everyday tasks, making our homes more comfortable, convenient, and energy efficient. But this is just the beginning. Imagine a home that not only adjusts the thermostat but also learns your optimal sleep temperature and adjusts the lighting to help you wake up naturally. Or a refrigerator that automatically orders groceries based on your consumption habits and suggests recipes based on what's in stock. This is the promise of AI in smart homes, a seamless blend of technology and living spaces that enhances our comfort, security, and overall well-being. But the potential of AI in smart homes goes beyond just convenience. For seniors or individuals with disabilities, AI-powered homes could provide a new level of independence and support. Imagine AI assistants that can help with daily tasks, monitor health conditions, and even provide companionship. It could truly be transformative. And let's not forget about sustainability. AI can optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and even help us manage our water usage more effectively. By making our homes smarter, we can also make them more environmentally friendly. So the next time you walk through your front door, take a moment to imagine the possibilities. AI is about to turn our homes into something truly remarkable. Alright, so we've talked about AI making our lives easier and more entertaining. But what about the big picture? What about the future of our planet? Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges we face. AI can analyze massive data sets of climate information with unprecedented detail. Imagine AI predicting natural disasters, giving us more time to prepare. Or AI optimizing energy grids in real time, minimizing fossil fuel reliance. This isn't science fiction. We're already seeing these applications in action. One of the most exciting areas of development is in precision agriculture. AI-powered systems can analyze soil, weather, and plant health to optimize irrigation and fertilization. This means less waste, higher yields, and a more sustainable approach to feeding a growing population. But it's not just about predicting and optimizing. AI can also help mitigate the effects of climate change. Think of AI-driven reforestation efforts where drones and robots plant trees. The key here is turning data into action. It's up to us to use that information to make informed decisions. We've spent a lot of time talking about the practical applications of AI in healthcare, transportation, and beyond. But what about the human side of the equation? How will AI change the way we interact with technology and with each other? Right now, our interactions with AI are mostly limited to screens and voice assistants. But as AI becomes more sophisticated, we're going to see a shift towards more natural, intuitive interfaces. Imagine interacting with AI through augmented reality overlays, holographic projections, or even brain-computer interfaces. This might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but the technology is advancing rapidly. We're already seeing early examples of these interfaces in research labs and even in some consumer products. The question is, how will these new forms of interaction shape our relationship with technology? Will it become more seamless and integrated into our lives, or will it create new challenges and ethical dilemmas? One of the biggest questions surrounding AI is its impact on the job market. And it's true, automation will likely displace certain job roles. However, history has shown that technological advancements also create new industries and opportunities. The key is to focus on collaboration and augmentation, not replacement. AI can handle repetitive tasks and provide us with valuable insights, freeing us up to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and tasks that require emotional intelligence, areas where humans excel. Imagine a future where doctors work alongside AI diagnostic tools to provide more accurate and personalized care, or where architects collaborate with AI design assistants to create more sustainable and innovative buildings. The possibilities are pretty much endless. The real challenge will be to ensure that AI is developed and deployed ethically and responsibly, in a way that benefits all of humanity. So there you have it, 10 bold predictions for the future of AI. From revolutionizing healthcare to combating climate change, AI has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. But here's the thing. The future of AI isn't some distant reality. It's being shaped right now by researchers, developers, and entrepreneurs all over the world. And the choices we make today will determine what that future looks like. Will we harness the power of AI to create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for all? Or will we let fear and uncertainty hold us back from unlocking its full potential? The answer, as always, lies with us. If you liked the video, subscribe and share the channel.